You're just thinking about your insurance policy and you're not quite sure what your coverages are. My name is James with the Resurgence Group. We're a full-service insurance agency, and we specialize in car insurance. The first thing I'm going to suggest is that you get with your agent and you have them address your policy limits and your coverages. Because the last thing you want to have is an accident and then not be properly insured. Many times people look at just premium, and the lower the premium, the lower the limits, and sometimes you think that's okay, but you really want to make sure that you're properly insured for the type of risk that you have. Again, if you got with your agent and they went over different things as far as the policy limits, especially comp and collision, comprehensive is when you have something that falls on your vehicle like a tree. That's going to kick in, and it's going to be your deductible. If you meet your deductible of, like, say, $250, if you're in a car accident and you have a deductible of $250, then after that, your entire car, as far as that being fixed, is going to be covered by the carrier. So again, what we would suggest is get with your agent and go over these different coverages and make sure that you're properly insured in the event that you do have a loss. My name is James with the Resurgence Group. We specialize in auto insurance, and I'm sure you're going to find an agent in your area who could do the same and help you when it comes to figuring out the best insurance for the best premium.